Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Money Concept Part 2. And we have a page, Facebook page, Market Maker Community, and we have a Telegram channel link we are adding from here. And if you are a gold trader on, you can join this. If you are following all currencies, then you join that Liquidity Master. And if you want to contact on WhatsApp, this is our WhatsApp and this is our email address. And if you want to learn smart money concept and about liquidity, then we have a YouTube channel you can join. We have added on bio that this is our liquidity master, that is our telegram channel, and we share many hours about learning content, and we share analysis there, and we are sharing more analysis, and we have this Christmas sale running $50 lifetime. That is very cheap offer, and we uploaded some PDF books on Telegram and for your learning, and the dollar index forecast for 2026 for long term and short term. And we have uploaded here with a part 1, that smart money concept into model institute and trading plan. This is a part 1, and now we are starting part 2. Okay, and we have a telegram channel, and we have, now you can see that 1396, that is our subscribers. If we tell about our telegram, that is first of all that our premium channel in 93 people percent very satisfied. That is a big enough for me. Okay, and second thing, people are talking about our golden about me, or gold with golden words. I am too much excited, and some friends are giving me gift for, like, we have a $55 a lifetime. People are paying me $61, and you can see that a golden words about our reviews, because we have open everything, because we are working on Facebook page. Okay, and if we talk on about free channel, that in 97 percent people give good reviews, excellent and very helpful. And if we talk on Facebook page, we have a live poll on Facebook page, and 93% people voted yes, very satisfied. That is very I am very excited, and very big opportunity for me, that I am happy people are satisfied from my work. And so we are going to about our video, and now you can see that we uploaded make a part 1 on Facebook. So you can see on smart money concept entry model, we explain in this area breakout market structure and market pullback started, and we will explain our about entry model. Today we have a part 2, and part 2 is about near to part 2 is about liquidity, and weekly candle closing is very important for our strategy. If we are starting with pint, we open pint screen, and first of all, that weekly candle starting is very important. And if you look at this weekly candle, and we have a, first of all, that's weekly candle, and second candle closing under this candle, and now you can see that candle closing is under previous candle. And we have, it means that we have a retail trap, and we have a liquidity level above and this level, and we have a liquidity level on this. It means market will take this low, and will market go up, and we will look bullish confirmation about this concept, and then we will look bullish, and we will have a bullish trap, because we have this is our swing high on some short time frame, so small time frame. Okay, but in weekly time frame, we have a simple, that we have a liquidity level sweep, and market will take the high, and liquidity level is higher. That is very important. And second thing, we have a weekly insight, and we will look bearish after this high taken, because we have a high level is our liquidity level, and this is our liquidity level, and second is this low is our liquidity level. It means market will take the high and we will use confirmation on this area, and we will look bearish from this area and will look bearish for this area, but we will use it on key levels. What is the key level? We will look after pullback started, we will look after on weekly order block or any order block, but this concept is very important. When we have a new week started, then we will look this concept. This concept is very important. First, when you started the analysis and you want to look that this order block is work or not, but first of all you need to look this concept, because this concept tell that your order block is for working or not. If candle inside closing, that it means you are taking bullish entry from this zone on small time frame, then a market take the low and your stop loss is hit. If you want to take the sell entry and buy selling order block, and but if we have a weekly inside bar, and it means that your stop loss hit and market will go drop. This is very simple concept that your accuracy will growth, because you will understand the liquidity concept, and this concept is very important, because when market make the traps, it means big institutional make a big move when market create the inside bars. Okay, when market make inside bar, it means market big move is coming, and we need to ready. Okay, so first of all, I am little explain about this last lecture part 1, that we have a daily breakout structure. Okay, we have a daily breakout structure, and we will look in H4 that we need to wait for stop hunt, and then we will trade on this area from bullish FAG, and we will take entry from FAG and target is this our order block, and target is this. This is our simple concept I am explained in our part 1, and today we have a part 2 on advanced, that today we talk on inside bar. Okay, and second thing, we have a bullish order block on daily time frame, that bullish breakout structure, and we draw on order block, and we have a big opportunity for selling. But first of all, we need to look at the stop hunt, and we look stop hunt and then breakout structure or FAG, then we will look bearish from here, and target is daily order block. Here is we use on H4 time frame, here is H4 time frame, but this structure using on daily time frame. And now we will see here, when a new week start, we look weekly candle that market will take the gain high or not. First of all, we look on inside bar. What is the inside bar? That we have a bearish candle, and second candle close the previous candle under, and it means that our inside bar. Okay, so inside bar create the accumulation and manipulation patterns, that is our high and that is our low. It means if we have a bearish breakout structure and market make inside bar, then we will need to wait for low this sweep, that is your stop loss hunts. Then we look in H4 confirmation, then we will take the entry for bullish. But this inside candle, we will look on this area, and second, if we look on this area on weekly time frame, when you have a weekly new week start, and you look that we have inside bar or not. If you have inside bar, then it means market will take the gain high, then you look sell entry from this area, because you have a key level, and you know market you look for selling because your target is order block. Okay, so very simple concept. So we are going to live chart, and first of all we are going to daily time frame. Okay, We are going to daily time frame, and if you look on daily time frame, that is a break or market structure, and we have extreme order block. That is our first rule. Second rule is we are going to stop hunt, then we will take the entry. Market not take the stop hunts, but we look on a weekly time frame. We look that we have inside bar or not, and now you can see that we have a candle high and we have a candle low. It means that market take the sell side liquidity, and then we will look bullish. If we are take the bullish entry, we have a bit of shorter block target. It means that we will look after stop hunts and market will go up, and now you can see that is inside candle. Okay, so that market take after take the low, and know that we have a, for example, that we have a bullish fair value gaps, and many fair value gaps about this, but no, so you can see market make it like a retail support. And but in weekly time frame, you look only we have a weekly inside bar, and we are waiting for low break, then we will look bullish. That is weekly candle closing is very important. Okay, so let's start the second example. We have AUDNZ, and if we are going to daily time frame, first of all we have a daily time frame. You have a break of structure. Now you can see that you have a break of structure, and we have order block on extreme order block, and we have extreme order block on this area, and it means market will test this order block and will market drop. But now you can see before retesting this order block and market make a liquidity, because market make inside, it means that your liquidity levels we will to sell entry after this trap, and we look bearish from here, because we have inside candle and many rotated stop losses above to this high. Because if you look in smaller time frame, that is your resistance level, because you can see that is your resistance level, and many trader stop losses above here. Okay, but you look with only with two candles, because you know that that is inside candle. Okay, second thing, we have Australian dollar. Okay, Australian dollar, if you look on this Australian dollar, CHF and dollar index, for example, dollar index, we have not any inside candle. Okay, we have not, and now you can see that we candle closing, so you can see this is stop hunts, and the candle close above, it means market will not take the low and market target hit, because we have already stop hunted on this area. But if we have now you can see that is that is your stop hunt, and when then market is going bullish. But we have a weekly, if we have a weekly inside bar, it means that market will take the again low. Okay, and we are going to EuroCAD, and we are going to weekly time frame. First we're looking for about the inside bar, and you can see that we have a daily order block. If you see that we have a daily order block, and we are looking for pullback and starting, and now you can see that we have a bearish inside bar, and now you can see that market take the high and market will go down. Okay, this is your key level, because market make this trap on order block near to our order block. Okay, for example, we have Euro CHF, and we have Euro JPY, Euro NZ, and we will look inside. Now you can see that Euro NZ, and we have a we have inside candle, and market candle close above. And if you look on daily time frame, and this is a daily order block, this is break of structure, and we have a daily order block, and want to sell from here, but we don't know how market behave. But weekly candle closing above, and now you can see we have a weekly candle inside. Now you can see that is a weekly high, and we have a weekly candle low, and this candle is closing previous candle closing under the previous candle. And now you can see that market take the high, and market will go downward fall in daily time frame, and we are looking selling from here, but market again the take make the inside bar. It means market will take the high and then we will look market bullish. Okay, this that is mean that is trap, and market will big institution make a trap on this after inside bar candles. Okay, second thing, euro USD. We have a euro USD on weekly time frame. Let's see, we have euro USD, and we have not any inside candle on our key levels. GBP AUD and GBP AUD, we have not any. Now you can see that is here, that is weekly, and we go to daily time frame, and we have a breakout structure, bearish breakout structure, but have here is inside on the weekly time frame, and finally market take the low and then we'll take the next target and finally target hit. It means that we have a stop points, easily find that we market take the low, then we will look bullish. Okay, that is very simple. And we are going to GBP CAD. We look on weekly time frame, and if you look on weekly time frame, that is today we share one on Facebook, that is high and that is this is low. It means that we market look after buy or sell after this low taken, and this is market in an accumulation. We will look after liquidity sweep. Okay, GBP CHF, and we look on weekly time frame. We have not any favor inside GBP JPY not, and GBP NZ like this. We have a GBP NZ, and for example, for we have a first of all in daily time frame, and we have a breakout structure, and we will look bullish from here. And if now we will look, see that market make insight on this candle, it means that market make a trap. It means we will look sell from here, because we have a daily weekly inside bar that we have. This is our high liquidity level. It means that we will look selling from here, and we will look low this trade. Okay, and target is this. Very simple, that you have a trap, and now you will look, because this is your key level, because you break a structure, and we will look sell from order block, but market make a trap. It means we have a high probability order block, because market make a trap in this area. Okay, for next we have a GBP USD on weekly time frame. We have not any insight, but you can see that we have not any insight on key levels. Okay, GPY index, and we will look see that GPP and GPY index, and now you can see we have a GPY on this. We have insight on this area, and now you can see that is insight, and market make the insight, and market take the high this level on market, and continuation drop. But if we get confirmation about this area, because we are looking bullish from here, because the breakout structure on this area, this is on daily time frame. So we are looking for bullish, but market not give any confirmation, and we have a order block on this area. Okay, and we will trade after low taken, but market not give any confirmation, market will continuous drop. And now we have a weekly start. Okay, we will see an NZCAT. Okay, NZCAT, we have not any inside candle. NZJPY, we have not inside candle, and US 30, yes, this is a US 30 weekly time frame, that is your inside. This is your candle high, and this is your candle low. It means that is inside. Okay, and we have a order block breakout structure on this area on daily time frame. If we look on daily time frame, and our order block is this, and it means that we will look, because we have a pattern about our trading, that first breakout structure on daily time frame, then we will look bearish after stop hunting, then change of character, then we will look selling from this area, and target is order block. Now it means that you have a breakout structure, and market is ready to stop hunt, then we will look sell from this area, and we are look only this weekly candle closing, because we have inside, that means that is our liquidity levels. Okay, USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD not have any inside USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF not have any inside USD JPY, and now you can see that we have a USD JPY for inside candle, and if we draw, that is our liquidity level, that market will take this high or market will take this low. We will look after market confirmation in H4, but first of all we need to go on daily time frame, and we have not any breakout structure. It means if you want to trade on single area with your high probability, you can see that after take the high you can wait for H4 fair value gap, then will look bearish. If market take the low, then your high level is this is your liquidity level, and you will look buy from after take this low, and target is high. Okay, but need to wait for H4 candle closing. We have gold. Gold is no any inside. Okay, BTC USD, and we have a BTC USD selling inside. We have a fair value gap and candle closing inside, and you can see market take the high, market will take the low. It is very simple concept. We have a fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, and we have a bearish take the high, then we will wait for take this low. That is very simple. And finally we have a GBP CAD, and now you can see that we have a GBP CAD. First of all we look on daily order block, and now you can see that is breakout structure, and we have now market. We will look on weekly time frame, and now you can see that market is taking a market making inside candle. We will look for bearish sweep, then we will look bullish. If market take this high, and then we will look bearish, because we have this is key level and this is our key level, but we need to confirmation as for FAG. First we need to, that is very simple, that is your accumulation on weekly time frame. Market make inside candle and many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 weeks inside, and it means that market making accumulation. Market will take this low, because every retail trader stop loss below this low, and market maker will take this low, and then will look bullish, because here is a retail trader trap. So this is very simple strategy part 2, and I will add more one more part on part 3, then your strategy is complete, that our entry model is complete. So if you learn from me, if you get anything improvement, you can like, comments and share. Thank you.